everyone, today we are going to paint figures of Sumatran Rhinos and Serow. We will take the color sandy brown. We will apply the first layer to the rhinos. Later we will apply other layers if necessary. We will use black wash on the first layer of the calf because calves tend to be much darker than adults because they still have a lot of fur, which they gradually lose with age. But let's not forget to add a little sand brown to the calf so that it has a touch of that brown color. Adults have fur in some place, and we will also apply black wash there. This video is not focused on painting Serow, so I will not comment on the process of how I paint it in more detail, but sometimes in the future I will rather make a full video on how to paint it. We will apply a second layer of black wash on the rhino. With grey color we will paint the hooves, horn and wrinkles around the eyes. We will paint the eyes with black color. We use grey and pink color for the tongue and mouth. We shade them with black powder paint. We can paint the fur honestly more with black wash, but this time by hand with a brush to make the individual hairs stand out. Finally, we apply a matte varnish. That's all. Look at the result and judge for yourself. I would be happy if you like, subscribe, comment and give me feedback. Have a good time.